Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Tether, that's USDT, from MetaMask to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring tokens like a pro. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have MetaMask set up on your browser and Trust Wallet installed on your mobile device. You'll also need some Tether in your MetaMask wallet and a basic understanding of blockchain networks. Always double-check your wallet balances and network compatibility to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open MetaMask in your browser and unlock your wallet using your password or seed phrase. Select the correct network, probably Ethereum, since that's where Tether is most commonly held. Step 2. In MetaMask, head over to the Assets tab and locate your Tether token. If you don't see it, you might need to add it manually by searching for USDT on the Ethereum network. Step 3. Click on the Send button for Tether. Now, you'll need the recipient address from Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet on your phone, go to the Tether wallet, tap Receive, and copy the address displayed. Step 4. Paste that address into MetaMask, enter the amount of Tether you want to send, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the gas fees. They can vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Step 5. Hit Confirm to sign and broadcast the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen in MetaMask. Make sure everything looks right before proceeding. Step 6. Switch back to Trust Wallet and refresh your balance. It might take a minute or two for the transfer to show up, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always verify addresses to prevent scams, and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you securely send Tether from MetaMask to Trust Wallet in 2025. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.